To create a 3/4-inch offset in Wiremold channel, several methods can be employed. Firstly, hand bending is an option, involving two primary approaches. Method 1 involves using a hammer and a small piece of wood. Place the wood block on the channel at the desired bend location and gently tap with the hammer. This incrementally forms the offset. Method 2 involves gripping the channel directly with pliers and carefully bending it by hand. This method requires more precision and control to avoid kinks. Secondly, utilizing an electrical metallic tubing or EMT bender is another approach. Method 1 involves purchasing a small radius EMT bender. Set the bender to the desired offset distance, which in this case is 3/4 of an inch. Insert the channel into the bender and apply pressure to create the bend. Method 2 is to use an adjustable EMT bender. Adjust the bender to the correct radius and then bend the channel by hand, using the bender as a guide. Thirdly, employing a commercial Wiremold bender offers specialized solutions. Method 1 requires purchasing a Wiremold channel bender specifically designed for creating offsets. These benders are available in various sizes to accommodate different channel dimensions. Follow the manufacturer's instructions meticulously for safe and accurate bending. Method 2 provides a cost-effective alternative which involves renting a Wiremold channel bender if purchasing one is not feasible or practical for a one-time project. Additional tips can enhance the bending process and ensure high-quality results. Annealing the channel before bending can make it more pliable, reducing the risk of cracking or deformation. This involves heating the metal and then allowing it to cool slowly. Supporting the channel properly during bending is crucial to prevent kinking or damage. Use clamps or other supports to stabilize the channel and maintain its shape. Ensure that the bend is smooth and uniform for both aesthetic and functional reasons. Uneven bends can compromise the structural integrity of the installation. Always use gloves to protect hands from sharp edges and potential injuries during the bending process. Regardless of the method chosen, it is imperative to adhere to local electrical codes and manufacturer's instructions when working with electrical wiring systems. Safety and compliance are paramount. In summary, achieving a 3/4-inch offset in Wiremold channel can be accomplished through hand bending, EMT benders, or specialized Wiremold benders. Each method offers unique advantages and considerations. By following the outlined steps and heeding the provided tips, a professional and compliant result can be achieved.